Okay, gold. Let's go over gold. Okay, Gerald. Okay, what you do, guys and gals, is this. This is a number 3 setup. I'll show you on gold. Your number 2 was over here. Your LVA was sitting right here where the number 2 is. Scroll over there if you can, Gerald. The number 2. That's where LVA was sitting. Well, the market broke down below LVA. In fact, let me shade this green so you know where LVA was sitting at. Low value area. So there's your LVA. And what happens when you get below LVA, the moving averages cross down. We're trying to short a number 2 breakdown. What a number 2 breakdown is a 2/3 body candle close below my symmetry dots right at below LVA. Well, we never had symmetry dots line up, so that negates a number 2. So there's no number 2 here. What it tells you is it tells you to take the first retest of the number 2 breakdown on a number 3. I've only got 3 setups, a number 1, number 2, number 3. And the number 3 said to look for a retest of the breakdown of LVA. The market comes back up, it breaks below the LVA, and the number 3 pattern tells you this. There's your breakdown, there's your retest, there's your spinning top, there's your short. So the number 3 nailed this big long trade. So according to market profile, gold is 1 for 1, is over 100 tick trade with an exact bar entry. Your exact bar was a red reversal bar right there. Your exact bar right there, exact bar trading. So you know exactly the exact bar to get into, and that is your exact bar on gold on a number 3 retest. Why do number 2 and number 3s work? A number 2 because after years and years of trading market profile, I realized that they're placing stops just above HVA and just below LVA. So if the LVA is taken out, all those novice traders that don't understand how to trade market profile are getting taken out. So what we do is we play off their stops. We let the market retrace back up for a retest of LVA for continuation pattern. And these are the type of trades you get. Over 100 ticks. We had a 100 tick trade just like this a couple days ago to the exact bar. That's my exact bar setup. Big long bars coming into the retest. There's my small, beautiful spinning top and doji, real small bar, over $1,000 trade with a maximum $150 risk, just like that. So now what you do is we'll look for a short up into 96. Right here's my 96. That'll be a 5-minute roller retest, 2-minute roller retest, ATR short. If we get a push of 40 more ticks, we'll look to go short there with another setup. Okay? Go over to crude oil, Gerald, if you can. So according to market profile rules, you are, if you're trading just market profile, nothing else, you're 1 for 1 on gold this morning. Go over to crude oil if you can, Gerald. Thanks, Matt. I see you, man. There you go. Crude oil. Crude oil tells you this, the 5 minutes in a hard downtrend. The moving average is crossed down below the magenta. My hard rule states on market profile, you look at the 2 5-minute charts and try to find out where your red dots are to sell the first test of high value area. My red dot was at 82. My red dot was at 43. 43 here in the bottom left chart. 82 on my top chart. So I knew if I'm just trading market profile, if I know I'm just trading market profile, it's my number 1 trade in the room, then I know that I'm either selling 43 or I'm selling 82. So when you come up to 43, you look for the same thing. You look for big giant long bars. There's your big giant long bars showing that the counter trend traders are trapped. Big, long, giant bars, counter trend traders are trapped. Then you look for the red reversal bar. There's the number 1. Now, some of you got conflicted because of the previous high day. If you do take a trade like that, you're butting up against a previous high day and get short. If that comes down and touches the previous high day and gives you a green bar reversal, bail in your position, take a tick gain or a tick loss and get out. If not, let her run. Never got it. All red bars, all straight down through it. It's gorgeous. Now, we come down to number 2 then. Number 2 says this. We knew that LVA was at 97.09. We're not looking to buy this level. We'll let all the counter trend traders get taken to the woodshed that try to buy this. We're going to try to look for a break of LVA. LVA sitting just below the symmetry dots. So what we're going to do is wait for a 2/3 body candle close below the symmetry dots. There's your number 2 short. Target to symmetry dots. There's your exact bar entry right here. 2/3 candle close. So if you're trading market profile this morning, according to gold and also oil, you're 2 for 2 on crude oil. According to that, there's an opening range short here that worked out also. There's your bail because of the roller. Opening range worked out short, a very small one though. But according to market profile, you are 1 for 1 on gold, or you're 2 for 2 on crude if you took both of them. If you took just one, congratulations. If you took two, great job also. The bottom line is that you just need to trade off these market profile levels according to 1, 2, 3 setup. And that's it. We were in downtrends right here in both markets. So here's the rules. Let me put the rules up one more time off of the crude oil chart. Number 1, sell or short first test of HVA. Number 2 trade is short LVA break with symmetry dot entry. Number 3, retest of LVA break. That's it. If the market's in a 5-minute downtrend, these are only 3 rules you need to understand with market profile. There you go. They all work. You had a number 1 that hit on gold, crude oil. Number 2 hit on crude oil, broke the symmetry dots. Number 3 worked on gold. Every single one of these setups worked this morning. It has been 100% correct. We have not had one stop out on a number 1, number 2, number 3 between both markets according to market profile rules. Remember that, according to market profile rules. Okay?